Neil's Vacuum and Sewing Center. We're with you every stitch of the way.
Hi, it's Carol, and I'm back again for your Fun Fact Friday. Today we're going to show you how to make this Friendship Braid table runner, and it's made so simple with the binding tool and a jelly roll, or if you don't have a jelly roll, you can cut your own 2.5-inch strips. And then of course we have our Olfa rotary cutter to cut them with. And what we will want to do is take our template, and there is the bark that we use when we do our binding. We can use that as a straight edge to cut our selvages off. So I'm just going to snip those off straight like so. Discard that, and then I flip it around as I'm right-handed, and that's the direction I work from. You might want to leave yours the other way, which is fine. But take the straight edge of your binding tool and butt it up against the straight edge we just cut. Then take your rotary cutter and cut this shape. And pull this away. And then I like to lay them out as when you cut them, they're in pairs, and we need to keep them separate. So I lay them out like such. Take the binding tool, simply turn it over with the writing side still up, and we're going to lay it back down and cut this straight edge, and then trim off these little tips from the first cut. So now we have 4 of these cut. And you actually can get 5 from one jelly roll strip. So unfold it and lay your tool with the straight edge down, and we'll cut one more. We're going to take our lefts and rights, and you're just going to kind of fan them out a little bit so you can see the different colors you can work with. And for the first 2, you're going to take a left and a right, and you're going to flip them right sides together and sew a 1/4-inch seam down here and press that open. So for this purpose, we're just going to pretend that that is sewn at a 1/4 inch, and we're going to start building our table runner. So you can just pick a color that you want to put next, and you're going to lay them out like this. Then we're going to go to this side, and what you want to do is make sure that these are running straight. And let's pretend now that this is as long, which it isn't, as we want it. Then what you do after you've sewn it, you're going to lay your ruler straight across and cut that off with your rotary cutter, and the same thing at the top, you're going to cut those off straight again. The next thing and the last thing before you need to quilt it would be to add your borders. And then the next thing you would do is choose a backing and batting. So you would layer your backing right side down, then your batting, and then your Friendship Braid top. Now we have your Friendship Braid table runner. Enjoy!
Neil's Vacuum and Sewing Center. We're with you every stitch of the way.